persecuted, not abandoned, struck down but not destroyed, and I'm blessed beyond the curse, for His promise will endure, that His joy is gonna be my strength. Yeah. No sorrow may last for a night. His joy comes with the morning. Yeah. I'm trading my sorrow, trading my shame. I'm trading my shame, laying it down, yeah. I'm laying it down for the joy of the Lord. And I'm trading my sickness and pain. I'm trading my sickness. Oh, I'm trading my pain. Laying it down. I'm laying it down for the joy of the Lord. All right. I want you to look at the person you're standing next to, shake them just a little bit. Say, listen now. Joy comes in the morning. Morning is not necessarily what has an AM next to it. Morning happens when you wake up.